reason for it?
Well, early this morning, I was notified by Judge Coons at the Delaware Superior Court Number 2 that an injunction had been filed against the Delaware County Election Board by Roger F. Marsh, who was a delegate in Precinct 34. And I was notified to appear here in the courtroom of the Delaware Superior Court, and the Election Board did appear there. And it was basically over the problem of the position on the ballot for Roger F. Marsh as to whether or not his name should come before Tom McDonald.
Mr. Rutherford, what evidence did they have to base this on?
Well, they, of course, relied on the statute that the names must be alphabetized in their proper order. We relied on Webster's Collegiate Dictionary, a recent edition, which indicated that when a proper name starts with MC, it is alphabetized as if it were MAC, Mac, in other words. And we relied on this. We also introduced in evidence another volume of a work called Indiana Lives by Hawkins and McLaren, which also alphabetized proper names in that manner. We also introduced in evidence a copy of a previous poll book which showed that the election board and the registration board both follow the practice of putting the MCs before the M's.
What evidence did you have to present in your behalf?
Well, of course, I'm on the election board, and we were defendants in the case. Mr. Marsh, through his attorney Lauren Marsh, presented evidence that the phone book showed the listing in a different manner, that his particular dictionary had it in a different manner, and that the city directory had it listed in a different manner.
What action do you plan to take on this then?
Well, I think the case is pretty well moot now because Judge Coons refused to grant the restraining order.